Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add overlay to your CapCut video in PC. First thing first, make sure that you have added two projects. As you can see, I've already added this one, which is this right here, and I have yet to still add this. So let's go ahead and select the plus button. As you do that, it will come forward. Just to be sure, I'm just going to mute it, but you don't have to mute it, you can just play along with your video. As you can see, I have two files. This is first one, this is second one. Select the video which you would like to overlay, pin it at the above section, and select it like this. Now once the video has been selected, you can see it highlighted in the screen, and you have to zoom in just like this. Cut it out just like this, and you can put it anywhere on the screen. And once done, if you play it, both of the video will be played at the same time. Let's see it some more. As you can see that both of these are being played. And just like so guys, this is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.